So here I'm opening another mystery package, mystery Michael Jackson package for me. I don't know what's in it because I have received many records at the same time and I'm not really sure what they are. So you know what's in it, but for me it's a little mystery. Okay, this is obviously is going to be a 7-inch single, but I wonder. Okay. Looks like it's packaged really good. This knife is sharp, so I gotta be really, really careful. And I like how people really put a lot of stickers like fragile, don't bend, vintage stuff, that so people who deliver are gonna handle it with care. Alright. What is it? What is it? What is it? Ah! Ha 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 ha. Horn! The way it make me feel. This is cool. So this is Michael Jackson, The Way It Make Me Feel, 7-inch single on vinyl. Okay, the seal looks good. I like this silhouette that they create kind of a heart. It's probably any couple that kisses. Okay, whatever. Let's take a look at the record. Oh. It's a standard Epic logo on it. And on one side is The Way It Make Me Feel, the original single, and then on the other side it's instrumental. You can see. So yeah, it's used. I can see some wear, but mostly this wear is mostly from being inside a sleeve on the shelf for a long time. It's fine. It's fine. There's a little chip. Well, this is all gotten for a very small amount of money because this is all auction and well, anyway.